Established in 2004, we are a Mexican company based in Saltillo, Coahuila. Since the opening in 2013 of our second factory in San Nicolas de los Garza, Nuevo Leon, Metalwork has consolidated its position in the north of Mexico as a producer of stamping parts with high-volume progressive processes, as well as manual transfer processes of medium and high tonnage and the assembly manufacturing by mechanical processes. As a vertically integrated company, we can manage and develop complete projects, offering our clients integral solutions. We supply industries such as home appliances, energy, mining, and automotive. At Metalwork and Stamping, we are focused in developing solid commercial relationships with the highest quality standards and meeting our clients' expectations. Currently, we have 86 presses with a 90 to 2,000 tonnage range, offering our clients flexibility and production capacity. The blanking process is done internally, which allows us to go through complete processes from the reception of raw materials to the delivery of the final product. We are certain that change is constant. Therefore, we have evolved and launched our assembly and welding areas to offer products with greater added value and technical complexity. In welding, we have processes like manual welding, semi-automatic welding, by resistance and robotic welding. The fabrication area features bending, cutting by plasma and laser machines, letting us to develop and build large-scale steel structures of great tonnage, highly specialized for the energy industry, mining, and filtration systems. Regarding the automotive industry and home appliances, we have the experience for high volume and robotic assemblies, either producing stamping parts in-house or purchasing directed components. We have 2 painting lines, E-Coat, capable of producing 14,000 square feet per hour, and a powder coat line with a production capacity of 6,000 square feet per hour. The wide work areas from both lines allow the pieces to be processed up to 2.7 meters of length. At Metalwork and Stamping, we understand that quality is produced permanently in every operation. We have fully equipped metrology labs, as well as a chemical testing lab for the painting lines. We maintain a strict control, monitoring the quality indicators, and a constant communication with our clients. We take the safety of our personnel seriously, as well as the proper caring and maintenance of the equipment and tooling of our clients. Thus, we developed a highly trained team of specialists in charge of the tool shop area, whose main task is to keep the dies in optimal conditions in order to guarantee the production's quality and continuity. Metalwork and Stamping is integrated by a team of professional specialists in a range of disciplines, a teamwork focused on offering solutions with high-quality service. We create enduring relationships with our clients in Mexico and worldwide, and offer the tranquility and assurance that the job will be done. Because in Metalwork and Stamping, we know steel.